Hi guys, welcome to Java Made Easy. Today we will be discussing if statement. So please see the description below to copy the source code. Click subscribe for updates. So before we begin, we will be using the if statement. So when to use and why we will use if statement. So if statement is used if there are two or more conditions. So it is used to determine if any of the condition is true, then if all of the conditions are false, therefore else statement will be executed. So the syntax is if condition 1, these are the statements to be executed if the condition is true, else if condition 2, these are the statements executed if condition 2 is true, else if all the conditions are false, therefore else statement will automatically be executed. So you can have two or more conditions, then the last statement will be the else statement. Okay, let us proceed with the sample program. So in the sample program, you need to input a grade and determine if the grade is can avail a percentage of discount. If 100 to 99, then you will have 100% discount, 96 to 98, 50% discount, 95 to 95, 25% discount, otherwise no discount. So you have to compute and display discount and the amount due. Okay, let us take a look with the program. So we will be using double data type, the grade for the input grade, discount to compute the discount, tuition fee, input tuition fee, and amount to compute the total amount due. Also use the variable name for the input name of string type and the message of the type of scholarship grant, which is a string type. Now, to get the input, so we will be using the input dialog box, which is called J option pane. J option pane is under the jbox.swing graphical user interface. So don't forget to include that in your imports. So to get the value of name, so name is equals J option pane that show input dialog. So now this is the object, so let us keep it now for this time. Then the message or the instruction, enter your name. Grade is equals double parse double. So since it is a double data type, to accept values with decimal point. So the input in a J option pane by default is a string. So we have to parse double to convert it to type double. So within is J option pane that show input dialog, enter your grade. Next, we also need to input tuition fee of type double. So we need to convert this and enter your tuition fee. So if you have entered your grade and your tuition fee, now you can determine if grade is qualified for a discount, then compute for discount. So 99 to 100, meaning the grade must be greater than or equal to 99 and the grade must be less than or equals to 100. So it determines, and using the AND operator, so it can determine that these two conditions must be true to make this entire condition true. Therefore, if this is true, then tuition fee will be computed with 100% discount and times 1. And scholarship grant will display 100% scholarship grant. The message 100% scholarship grant. Next. Now, the next condition, if grade is 96 to 98, you will avail 50% discount. So to do that, grade must be greater than or equals to 96 and less than 99. So that means 96 to 98. So discount tuition fee times 50%. And then display the message 50% scholarship grant. Next is 94 to 85. So to do that, If grade is greater than or equal to 94 and less than 95, therefore the tuition fee is 25% times 0.25. And then display the message 20% scholarship grant. Now, if all of the statements are false, therefore else statement will be executed. So we will assign discount to 0 and display the message no discount. And so if you have set all the conditions and then compute the amount due, which is equals to tuition fee minus discount. So we have computed based on the condition, the discount. So now we can just compute the amount due. Then display all the information that we have. So display again the name. So we will use the concatenation name. This is the word to display, and then name as the variable. So make sure your spelling is correct, and then use the concatenation symbol plus. So you will see here the brown. These are the text display enclosed with double quote. This black enclosed in plus sign means these are the variables. Scholarship grant, display this. So we use \n so that the next statement will be displayed on the next line. Scholarship grant, the grade, tuition fee, and then the discount, and then the amount due. Then display or use the show message dialog box to display all the information that is set on the scholarship grant. So let us run this sample program. Yan. So this is the input dialog box. Enter your name. So this is my name. And then enter your grade. So you need to input your grade and the tuition fee. Yan. For example, the tuition fee is 10,000. Okay. So 99 is greater than or equals to 99, true. Less than 100, true. So this condition is true. Therefore, tuition fee is 100%. So 100% scholarship grant. So the discount is 100%. So 10,000. Therefore, amount due is 0. You don't have to pay anything. So let us try this again. This time, for example, the grade is 97. Okay, 97 greater than 99, false. So therefore, this statement is false. Then proceed with the next condition. 97 greater than or equals to 96, so true. And 97 is less than 99, true. Therefore, this statement will be executed. Disregard other statement. So tuition fee times 0.50. Therefore, the discount is 50%. Yan. So the discount is 50,000. So you just have to pay the 50%, which is also 50,000. Okay, run this again. The grade is 95 greater than 99, false. This statement is false. 95 greater than 96, false. This statement is false. Then proceed with the next condition. 95 greater than or equals to 94, true. 95 less than 96, true. So true and true. Therefore, this statement is true. Therefore, compute 0.25 or 25% of grade. Yan. Therefore, your tuition fee is 125%, 10,000. Therefore, the discount is 2,500. So you only have to pay 7,500.